Okay, so here I am. I've just picked up some Michelin replacement wiper blades at Costco. I've got a Nissan 2017 truck, and I just spent the better part of 10 minutes trying to figure this out. So I'm thinking, okay, let's pull up on this. No go. You go underneath where the other videos talk about pushing up on that clip. No go. So here's the ticket. And I kept some good notes on this, which I had forgotten about and just found. So you're going to basically pull up on this part, loosen it up, and then pull off the cap. Now you've exposed the wiper blade. Okay, so the next part, you can see I've got a towel down there in case it comes crashing down. The next part is, unlike some of the other videos where it shows you go down below, right here, this doesn't work. So for me, I had to figure this one out. I'm prying the two top ends here, pushing them down, and then you can see that actually came right off. So that's how you do that part. Now, keeping in mind that this hook is here, by the way, I put down another towel, and the two holes were on top. Basically just gonna slide this in this way until it clips in place. Okay, so this is the Costco replacement.
Wait a minute.
You're gonna pull out this yellow piece here. We don't need this right now. That's just the cover. Here's the clip on the brand new Costco one. So if you note, this clip is going to be on the downside of the arm once I put it on. So what we're going to do now is, we're not going to do that, of course. We're just going to pull off the cap. I'm just going to pry it off like that. And just note that the clip is in this position here. There are two holes on the side, and you might be able to see it. Inside the cap, there are two nubs. Those two nubs go in those two holes. And I'll demonstrate that in a minute. Right now, let's go ahead and pull off the old one. I like to pull the top part off. And that loosens it up real nice and easy. You can see this just came right off. So once again, I just pulled off where the two holes are, and they're on the top end of the wiper. Just pry them left and right and pull down. You can see the hook goes down, and it came right off. Okay, so once again, the two holes are on the top. So once you pry apart where those two holes are, you have to kind of separate them, pull down, and it comes right off. Again, I pulled the cap off first. So now we're going to try and reassemble this. So just so you know, the hook has to fit in that center clip. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this now. The hook's got to go down in that way. Okay, that is seated correctly. That arm won't go down anymore. By the way, if you don't have that arm pulled all the way down, it will not clip in place. So note the distance here. Right here. Now I'll be able to put the clip on. So again, see those two nubs? They're going to go inside the two holes that are right here and right there. Okay, so it's in place. I'm just going to pull up to the left. There it is. It's in. Now I'm going to put the cap on. It's going to mount in those two holes, and we're done. So there's the two holes right there. I'm sorry, the two nubs that I'm going to fit in those two holes. So it's going to go like this, with the clip on the bottom. Okay, so you can see the clip rotates. So I've got the two pins in those two holes up on the top end. You basically push down, and now it's locked and clipped in place. It's not going anywhere.